Hey there, and welcome to Viewpoint Christian Academy, where we have been helping families meet their Christian education goals since 1984. I'm Dr. Adam Rondo, Director of Viewpoint Christian Academy, and welcome to another Monday Moments. So today in our Monday Moment, we are actually going to have a very descriptive tutorial video on how to access your child's report cards and evaluations. The first quarter of the 2020-2021 academic year has completed, and we have some reports for you to describe grade averages, etc. Also some evaluations to touch on different aspects of the program, the distance learning program here at Viewpoint Christian Academy. So the rest of this video, you're not going to see me, but you are going to see a tutorial video on how to log into the parent portal at Praxis School and be able to check those reports. So just before I let you go in this one, I want to say that we have had some fantastic results. Just in our online program, we have seen that the average student has completed approximately 30% of the entire year's worth of work in the first quarter. That's about 5% higher than the expected average. And so we're very excited about the progress that students are making. Also, in analyzing the grades for all the students and how we work with units or PACEs, we have found well over 640 units have been completed, and the overall average for the entire student body is 91%. That is fantastic. So our students are learning a lot, they're learning it well, and that's thanks to our individualized and mastery-based program. But the real key to the success, we know, is the biblical aspect. Because when you meditate and think about the scriptures, God brings success into your life. So our students are experiencing some great success, and we're so excited about that as we analyze all the information that's been coming in. Check out those report cards. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me or someone at the school. If you're having trouble accessing those reports, don't hesitate to call the number that's here on the screen right now. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our great videos. Give this video a thumbs up too if you don't mind. We'd appreciate it. And tell somebody else about the good things that are happening in your child's life at Viewpoint Christian Academy, and maybe, just maybe, we can help them too. So without any further ado, here is how you check your child's report card. You may access your child's report cards and evaluations in our parent portal. The easiest way to do so is to go to our website, viewpointchristian.org. And from viewpointchristian.org, you can then go to the menu item Connections, look under the parent portal. When you are in the parent portal, you will need two things to log in. You will need your parent ID, and you will need a password. The school ID will be pre-populated. It is always 1984. The parent ID will be sent in an email reminding you about this. You may already know it, but an email reminding you about this video and sharing with you how to do this check will come to you, and it will have your parent ID as well as a temporary password if needed at the bottom. If you forgot your password, you are also able to use the forgot the password link over here. But I'm going to go ahead and access this for you now, give you a demonstration of how this will work. So you type in your ID and your password. It brings you to this page. This is a front page. It's got some very basic information. It'll talk to you about the calendar. It'll demonstrate the different playlists that are available on our YouTube channel. You can access them there. You can make payments here. You can see billing information here. You can see, let's see, you can reset your password here if you needed to. There are ways to upload documents as needed, resources, online forms. We won't get into any of that right now. We primarily want to look at the classes menu item. And under classes menu item, we're going to have two things that we want to look at: grades and evaluations. Now, if you're in high school, you can print what's called an unofficial transcript. So that's something that you may want to consider looking at as well at various times. But right now, you want to look at grades and evaluations. We're going to start with grades, and we're going to look at this, and I'm going to change this to this student here, and I'm just going to take a look at all the various things. This is the detail grading that these students conduct. And this shows every individual unit grade and when it was entered into our system and verified. You can also look at the roster section, which breaks it down by quarter and subject and for the year. And this is the progress report where you may actually print a copy if you so desire. I'm going to show it to grandma and grandpa, whatever you like to do. But that is the easiest way for you to do that and to check on those things. In fact, after your reporting period is up, you may also come here and see the final grades and what were entered here. So you can access that information at any time. Let's also take a look at evaluations, and I'm going to use the evaluation for this student here. We're going to check some various things. We have a virtual learning assessment for Ignition students as well as paper curriculum students. And so you can review this information here. This is our evaluation. This is, our evaluation of the work. Are they completing the proper amount of work? As well as below that, there would be some notes. I'm not going to show you all of those notes, etc., for this student, but that is the basic way that you can check your child's report cards. When you're done, you can go ahead and log out, and it will return you back to our website, where you can do it again if you like, or just check out some of our great information and great content on our website, share it with others, etc. So I hope you were able to learn something from this, and I hope that you will enjoy looking over your child's report cards as well as some of their evaluations. And if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. God bless you. Have a great week.